How to change your language on Get Your Guide. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can change your language on Get Your Guide. How do you do so? Launch the Get Your Guide application on your device. Move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons, which includes the discover icon, your wish list, your bookings, your cart, as well as your profile icon. Then the next thing would be to click on profile. So on the profiles page, you can see several options, which includes currency, language, appearance, notifications, etc. Just click on language. All right. So after clicking on language, you can see the different languages available on Get Your Guide. All right. So you can just select the one that you want to change it to. Is it Expano? Is it Francais? Whatever. For me, I'll be selecting Francais. And then after selecting that, you can see that the language will first of all be installed. Okay, you have to wait for a while. So after the language is installed, then it should be changed, um and then your writings on the application will no longer be in English but in the language that you've selected. As you can see now, the language I selected is French, and then all of my writings are now in French. So I'll just go ahead and change it back to English because I prefer English, and then you wait for it to be installed as well, and everything will be changed. Just like that. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.